Hello everybody and welcome back to the video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a ×2 clicks game pass inside of your game. And now I will not put this video a part of the clicker game series as it's kind of over at this point. Apart from me, I'll in attempt to try and make that upgrade and rebirth savable. But anyway, this should be pretty easy. You want to go to your server events, which we added in the last video for the click, and all you need to do is just right click and duplicate it. You're going to rename the other one ×2 add click, and now we have the second one. You're going to go into you're going to rename this remote event to ×2 add click event, and then you want to go inside the script and change this from clicks.value +1 to 2, and then change this script dot add ×2 add click event, and then apply. You then want to head down to your main GUI. You're going to go into your click button and go into the script. Alright, so now you have the script which we made in last video. You're going to delete everything as we're going to rewrite the entire script. I'll put this in a paste bin in the description so you guys can just copy it from there. But anyway, it's going to go like this: local player equals game.players.local player, local marketplace service equals game get service marketplace service, local gamepass ID equals 0, as we don't know it for now. And then you go down and do local click delay equals 0.15 or whatever you want it to be. And now we're going to get into juicy stuff. So you can do script.parent.mouse button one click connect function, and then if marketplace service user owns game pass async player dot user ID game pass ID, and then outside the bracket you do then game dot workspace dot server events dot ×2 add click dot ×2 add click event fire server, and then go down from there, do script dot disabled equals true, then wait click delay, then you do the same thing as up there, click script dot disabled equals false, and then you want to do else, and then game dot workspace dot server events dot add click event fire server script dot disabled equals true, and then wait click delay, and then script dot disabled equals false. Now that should be it for the script. You guys can do this bit easier by linking the server events folder here, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm just going to do this. I'm going to click apply edit, close off the script. Okay, now we actually need to do one more thing. So this is the game, in my case clear game tutorial. You go to the creator dashboard and then go to associated items, then passes. You're going to create a pass and upload any image you want. Okay, so I just chose this nice color.png, and then I'm going to bring it to ×2 clicks, and then put in whatever you want there. I'm just going to put in that. You want to press create pass. You want to go into the pass, go to sales, tick the item for sale and set it to 10 Robux or whatever you want. I'm going to set it to 10. Save changes. Back to associated items. Now I don't like copying the ID from here, so I like clicking on the 3 dots, which should be there. It's a bit hard to see as the background's white as well, but open a new tab, So you should see in the link 140690226 in my case. So I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to go to my script and paste in here the ID. I'm going to click apply edit, go back, press play, and now when I click, I gain 2. That's because I own the Game Pass. So now I can press stop, and I'm going to show you how to make a shop menu so you can actually buy it. So inside of your main GUI, you're going to add a text button. You're going to move the text button like maybe somewhere underneath the click area. I'm going to make it look nice by putting a UI corner and a UI stroke. Change the UI stroke mode to border. Set the thickness to 4. I'm going to move this over a bit. Then I'm going to change the text inside to shop, text scaled, change the font, and then I'm going to put a local script for later. You can close that for now, and then I'm going to put a frame. I'm going to rename this frame to shop frame. I'm going to position the shop frame in the middle, and then there we go, like that. Then I'm going to add a UI stroke and a UI corner to make it look nice. Set thickness to 4. Then I'm inside of here, I'm going to add a text button. Place the text button in the middle, stretch it out a bit. Inside the text button, I'm going to put UI corner and UI stroke. I'm going to rename this to buy button. Change the UI stroke thickness to 4, and then set it to border. And now we have a huge button. I'm going to scroll down inside the buy button and change the text to ×2 clicks. Set the text scale to true, then change the font to whatever you want. And there we go, now we have our own simple menu, but it doesn't close and open at the moment. So inside of here, you're going to add a text button. I'm going to place this in the top right, like that. I'm going to rename this to close button, and add a UI corner and a UI stroke. Set the UI stroke to 4, whatever you want. Border, change the text, then close. Text scaled equals true. Change the font to whatever you want. And there we go, now I have a little close button. Now we need to make this actually do something. So add a local script inside the close button and put in script.parent.mousebutton one click connect function and then bracket there. Then you can do game.players.localplayer.player.GUI.shopFrame.visible equals false. Click apply edits, and then go to your shop button from earlier. So I'm actually going to rename this as I forgot. So I'm going to do shop button, and we are going to go inside and enter the local script. Or if you don't already have one, add one. Then you do script.parent.mousebutton one click connect function, and then game.players.localplayer.main.GUI.shopFrame.visible equals true. Then you're going to do apply edits, and then click the X. You're now going to go into your shop frame, go into the buy button, and add a local script. Okay, now you're going to put in local ID equals 0, as we actually know, we do know it. So you're going to get the ID of your thing. So mine's over here. I'm going to copy it, go back and paste it in there. Then I'm going to go down and do script.parent.mouse button 1 click connect function. Then you go to game get service, marketplace service, prompt game pass purchase, game dot players dot local player dot, and then nope, just put comma and then ID. Then you should be done there. If you click apply edit, set your shop frame visible to false. Make sure that when you go into the game settings, you have the security allow third-party sales true, so you can actually buy stuff. You're going to press play, and now we're in the game. When I click, I get 2 because I own the game pass, and if I enter the shop, click on ×2 clicks, I own it, and then I click close, and there we go. Okay, I did a little oopsie, but I pasted in the wrong ID, so in here I actually got to paste this one because that was the wrong one, and then I'm going to click that, and now as you notice that I already owned it, is we can head over to the Game Pass, click the 3 dots, delete from inventory, yes. Also, you guys don't need to do this, this is just me testing it for testing purposes. Minimize, click play, and now when I click, I only get 1, and that's because I don't own the Game Pass anymore. If I click on shop, ×2 clicks, I'm gonna buy it, 10 Robux, okay, and now I get 2, which is, actually no, I don't get 2, you will need to reload the game. Okay, but if you did enjoy this video, a like would be appreciated. I made a Patreon, by the way, for exclusive tutorials and support, and on my Discord server you'll get a cool role. There's currently bronze, silver and gold, all doing the same thing. They're kind of like donations really, like buy me a coffee. But anyway, I'll leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.